My name's Rudy Klobel, CEC, trained in Europe.
Hi, I'm Chef Maura.
Hello, my name's Hannes. I'm a chef here at the Pioneer Barbecue.
What I enjoy about cooking the most and why I started cooking is because it makes people happy.
The reason why I cook is because I come from a family of chefs.
I cook because it's something that I found a passion for and that I'm pretty good at.
Both my dad and my uncle influenced me to become a chef. I have a second uncle in Germany who was a butcher, and got to spend some time with him, so he also influenced me as well.
My family and friends influenced me to become a chef. Cooking and being around food and being in the kitchen, and to me it's a calming effect, and I still cook with my family a lot now.
Who influenced me to become a chef was my home ec teacher in high school. I took a class to learn to pick up on girls, and it turned out to be a bunch of guys in the class. But the one thing I learned is I could cook, I could put together a team and make something happen out of nothing.
I'm most proud of the fact that I have the ability to pass my knowledge on to future culinarians and chefs.
My fondest memory of food is cooking with my grandparents growing up.
What I'm most proud of? I'm a Jewish kid that cooks good pork. I guess it would be the fact that I still have maintained great relationships with cooks, and that people truly understand my craziness and allow it to be a part of who I am. And the end result, I think, is a better product by me because I'm not stymied. And I'm proud that after 30 years, I can still open a restaurant and have it be full every night. I'm very, very lucky and look forward to work every day.
Most proud of is being able to pass on the knowledge that I have to other people as an instructor.
In the kitchen, I am most proud of the people I've worked with, seeing them grow, seeing them progress, seeing people I've taught really step it up and become sous chefs or become supervisors. That's what I'm most proud of, is seeing other people grow.